coming to the pyramid meditation. So basically, this concept is based on a kind of advanced technology, we need to say. See, we are building house today, and in that we are keeping so many technologies, the commode technology, washing machine technology, the light technology, so many technologies we are using for our own happiness and the body and mind joyful state. So similarly, the pyramid itself is a great technology. If you use it, then that gives 3 times better energy for us. So like a convex lens converging the sun rays, the pyramid also converges the energy, and that automatically gives us a lot of energy. So we use the pyramids in day-to-day life, like on the water we can use so that the water can be charged. In Kerala, even till today, most of the skin problems, every day they will cleanse the wounds with the pyramid water. The whole night they will keep the water under the pyramid. Usually the water tank itself is in a pyramid shape, and that water they will use. So that has got healing properties. If you cleanse the wounds, if you have suppose any wrinkles or any face patches on the face, apart from the spiritual tablets that you are supposed to apply about your individuality and face presentation, regularly if you wash it with the pyramid water, definitely within 40 days clearly you can see a major difference. So that much power the pyramid water has got. Similarly, you can use if you have a chest problem, chest pyramids; for the headache, cap pyramid; for the knee problems, knee pyramids. Like that, we use a lot of pyramids. And nowadays, we are trying to build community pyramids so that people can gather and they can do meditation under the pyramid. And here in Europe, currently, I am I have connected from Manchester, UK. I'm pursuing my master's degree here in Sheffield Hallam University as a part of my research goal with spiritual tablets in future. So here I have a strong thought, and I want everyone's thought on that. Here there is a concept called conservatory, a glass house they will make. Every house is either on the rear part or at the front part, they will attach a glass house, you know. So that glass house, that conservatory can be in a pyramid shape. So literally I am waiting, someone can initiate that so that that will become a forest fire across the Europe, so that people will can build that pyramid, kind of conservatory. Almost it is like a 10 by 10 and 12 by 12 size. Usually they will make it in a small slanting with a less angle, usually they'll make. So once they understand that the angle of the pyramid, the value of the pyramid, then definitely it will become a forest fire. So that's why if they keep such kind of conservatory in a pyramid shape, the children can happily play under that pyramid and they can do their homework, and the senior citizen can sleep under that. So that continuously gives us energy, and most of the Vastu related things also can be completely vanished by applying this pyramid energy. So these are some of the most important pyramid related methods. And especially in 2003 and 4, whenever I am working on bedridden cases, we used to keep pyramids on their food, water, on the bed itself, and on the body part. So as maximum as possible, we try to use the healing crystals and pyramids. And of course, there are certain other things like soft instrumental music and greenery and other things also we used to maintain. So that used to give us a very miraculous results. Out of 10 cases, we try to train. More than 3 or 4 cases, definitely they used to walk themselves on their own. And then we used to see whatever the reason may be for the bedridden concept, they used to recover from the bed and they used to take care of their own things in their life. So that is a real success. Being a medical doctor for me, a bedridden patient coming out of the bed means it is not simply, it's not a joke, you know. So such kind of patient, if you have, then you will understand how pain. So that's why continuously we used to work. So there we try to use all these energy supports, especially for the bedridden patients. In future, definitely I'm going to share some case histories as well regarding that.